Good morning, traders. This is Stock Trader Advisory here on Tuesday, June the 27th, and it is our week number 26. This is the recap for past week. So the recent rally ground to a halt is nervous Nelly. Amateur investors took profits, which is typical of them. Most stocks declined on the weekend. Analytics suggest that the pullback in stock prices is not reason for selling long positions now, just a pause. So for us, it was one of those give-back weeks. There are concerns that manufacturing is declining globally, and many other countries did raise their interest rates again, but institutions did not appear to be among the sellers. A generally forgettable week to move on from. So anyway, thanks again for being here with us. If you have any questions or comments, drop out an email to info@stocktraderadvisory.com or just leave it down below at the comment section. We're always following the smart money. Consider contacting us at stocktraderadvisory.com if you'd like to subscribe and get your first month for free. Please have a wonderful week.